messing with strawberry jello, and you know, came out to thought. I mean, this is more preferably in the wintertime when it's cooler to do this. But no, you take the strawberry jello, just taking a water bottle and pouring it in. Just like so. It's like you make a regular jello. Then you take your water bottle, you know, shake it up, and then stick it in the cooler overnight. Let it freeze up where it kind of gels up so you get clumpy. And you sit there in the wintertime, you can just put that out. You know, actually you're putting out jello, and it'll last a little bit longer. You know, it won't dissolve into the ground or whatnot. And that's where we go. So I'm gonna put this in the cooler overnight. It's 100 degrees out here, so we'll see what this looks like in the morning. Way to go. Okie dokie. Here we go. That's
in there. And this is more along the lines of better off in the wintertime when it's cool. You just cut the bottle open and just drop it out there again. This is just something just to put scent. If it works, I couldn't tell you as an actual bake. I'm just saying as a smell. Just something quick and easy to do. Or actually, if you just want jello to eat around the camp, take your water bottle, pour it in there, and sit it in your cooler overnight, and you got jello.